In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the fillet command in AutoCAD. This is an essential tool for creating smooth transitions between object edges, making your designs look professional and sleek. Let's dive right into it and explore how you can master this technique efficiently. To begin, you'll want to type in the word fillet on the command line. AutoCAD also allows a quicker method by typing the letter F as a shortcut to activate the fillet command. Once you've done that, press Enter to proceed. The fillet command is versatile because it lets you create rounded edges between two lines or segments, something often crucial in both complex designs and straightforward sketches. After entering the command, the next step is to set the radius of the fillet. You can do this by typing R on your keyboard and then pressing Enter. The radius is simply the distance from the center of your arc to any point along its perimeter. Setting the correct radius is essential, as it determines how curved the corner will appear. Enter a value that suits your design needs. You might want a small radius for subtle curves, or a larger one for more pronounced arcs. Feel free to experiment with different values until you find the one fitting your project requirements. With your radius now set, it's time to select the sides of the corner that you wish to fillet. Click on the two lines or segments you want to round off, and AutoCAD will automatically apply the fillet based on your chosen radius. This selection is where the magic happens, transforming sharp corners into smooth arcs with just a few clicks. If, for any reason, you need to apply the fillet command again, but with the same radius, there's a handy shortcut that can help streamline the process. Simply press the spacebar. This action quickly reactivates the fillet command with your chosen radius still in effect, allowing you to apply it on additional corners without re-entering the setup each time. And there you have it. Each of these steps creates a smooth, elegant transition in your design. The fillet command in AutoCAD is a remarkably efficient tool that adds a polished look to your work, and now you can easily incorporate it into your design workflow. Remember that practice makes perfect, and experimenting with different radii will give you a better sense of how to enhance the overall aesthetics of your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.